This is where we've been working for the last week and a half, 10 days, printing you at your stations, dry and wet areas, and hopefully this is what's going to reignite South Africa's passion for analog, I suppose. Yeah. But I mean, it's fairly self-contained. Each drawer we've got our this is where your equipment is, your focus finders, trays down at the bottom, and that. So it's really self-sufficient, the entire process. Packs away nicely. I've got a bit more tidying up still to do, but this is basically it. We tidy her up and take it to the next location. So yeah, and there's 4. So we've got the first one here, second, and 2 further at the back. We've got the medium format set up at the back there. I don't know if you can see it, just for someone like Anton Robert, who we did a lot of portrait work with. He shoots 6.7 Pentax. I think he wants to shoot in Cape Town. We shot Mamiya C3 here, so that's 6.6. But yeah, it gives us capacity to print a significant array. We obviously don't do 4.5. Those enlargers are too big. But we're not targeting that level of photographer. It's more the people who've never shot before, might just be interested in a new genre of photography. And really just personally from my side, trying to get as many people introduced to analog, and hopefully some of those will then convert to analog photographers moving forward. And that's really the aim of all of this anyway, so yeah.